so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks, and I'm trying to get back before the cool done for not be giving it my best. There's nothing's gonna help me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, so I won't